Welcome everyone. In today's session, we learn how to dynamically sort an array of objects in JavaScript based on multiple properties and sort orders. Imagine you have a list of user objects and you want to sort them first by name in ascending order and then by age in descending order. We will create a reusable function that makes such sorting tasks efficient and straightforward. Let's dive in. Here's the problem we're solving. We need a flexible way to sort an array of objects based on multiple properties and their specified sort orders. For instance, sorting users first by their name alphabetically and then by the age in descending order. Our solution will ensure the sorting logic is reusable and adaptable to any dataset or sorting requirements. Let's break down the code. The order_by function clones the input array and sorts it using Array.prototype.sort. Sorting logic is determined by reducing the list of props to calculate the comparison result. For each property, we check the sort order, ascending or descending, and dynamically adjust the comparison logic. If no orders are provided, the function defaults to ascending order for all properties. This approach is modular and works for any dataset. Here's the step-by-step process. We first clone the input array to ensure the original data remains unchanged. Then, we use the props array to determine the properties for sorting. We then dynamically compare property values based on the specified sort order, as whether ascending or descending. Using Array.prototype.sort, we use that to rearrange the array. Finally, we return the sorted array. Let's look at some examples. When sorting by name in ascending order and age in descending order, the output arranges Barney first, followed by the two Fred objects, sorted by age. If no orders are specified, the function defaults to ascending order for all properties. These examples demonstrate the function's flexibility and robustness. This sorting function has diverse applications. User interfaces enhance the UX by allowing dynamic sorting of user lists. E-commerce help customers sort products by price, rating, or availability. Data analysis sort complex datasets by multiple metrics to extract meaningful insights. In summary, dynamic sorting is a core requirement in many real-world scenarios. The order_by function makes it easy to sort arrays by multiple properties and orders. This method promotes code reusability and efficiency, making it a valuable tool for developers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.